Hey everyone, how are you doing? I'm driving over to do a socially distant fitting right now. It'll involve masks, a ruler, maybe some measuring tape, and lots of faraway photographs. But I was just thinking, and I wanted to show you that even during the winter months, my sun protection game doesn't change very much. I still wear broad spectrum mineral sunscreen on my face and my eyelids and my neck, and I always wear coverage to protect my neck and my hands. I'd say the only modification between winter and spring for me is that since I'm wearing jackets in the wintertime, I switch from arm sleeves to gloves. So short sleeve gloves, as opposed to my longer arm sleeves. So, even a day like today when it's cold and cloudy, up to 80% of the sun's UV rays can still penetrate through cloud cover. And so if you are several feet away from a window of your house or your office, guess what? More than 50% of UVA rays penetrate glass to reach us. And so, yeah, the UVA rays are the ones that cause the premature aging and wrinkles. So I'm not making this shit up. This is data from the Skin Cancer Foundation, okay? So this is why I don't really change my sun protection game even during the cold winter, even on cloud cover days and overcast days. And so then the other thing I just wanted to say is that, even though I really don't feel like it, and